Okay, grade 9. As I mentioned earlier, I'm not here, so here's what we're going to do today. As always, please go to my webpage first, Social Studies 9. Okay, this is where we're going to get started. Now, what we're going to do today is this. Okay, yesterday I had you start on 2 documents. So you have this presentation that we started on. Now, the substitute teacher will open this up. You don't need to take care of that, but it's there. Okay, and then you have the federal government classwork little booklet that you made a copy of and we started. So yesterday we finished all of this. We got down to right here. So we finished the entire first page. So what you're going to start on today is this. Please skip over the part that says governance and this. And we're going to start right here with short history of Canada. Okay, so you're going to go there. What's going to happen then is the substitute teacher will open the presentation, and as it gets open right here, because we're going to start right here. This is where we left off. We did these, so we're right here. Is a little video. So you are going to watch this little video here on a short history of Canada. Okay, and so off we go. So you're just going to watch that as a class. Now you'll see though, if you go back to your classwork, so you skip over governance again, come down, short history of Canada. So what I want you to do here is what it mentions 11,000 years ago, First Nations, what happened and why. 1,000 years ago, Leif Erikson, what, why. Jean Cabot, what, why. And you're going to fill each of these out as you watch the video. Okay, once the video is done, it's about 8 or 9 minutes long. You're going to have some time. So then what I want you to do is, in that video that you watched, what was totally new to you? Something that you didn't know about Canada that you learned. Then, what did you already know? Now list some things that you already knew. For example, if you knew about, I don't know, Leif Erikson, you could say, I already knew about Leif Erikson. And what did they leave out? Is there stuff that you know about Canada that you think maybe they left out? So I'd like you to get a few points in each of those. You can do that on your own. That's after you've watched the video and filled out this chart. Then we're going to go down. Discussion questions. How might Canada's history have affected relationships between? So based on what you saw, how might Canada's history affect relationships between the English and the French, Canadians and the French, Europeans and the First Nations, Canadians and the Americans? And you're going to try to get a few things down for that. Okay, that's where we're going to stop. So for the video, so that's what you're going to do first. So again, these questions, then we're going to do this, then you're going to do this, all based on the video that you watched. Now, once that is done, that should probably take us about 20 minutes, maybe more, maybe 30 minutes. So that'll still leave us with a little bit of time in class. So once everybody's done, then what's going to happen is you have this next section on governance right here. And what will happen is the substitute teacher will pull up, again, the presentation. So here we go. So she'll pull it up and she'll go through it with you. So as you scroll down, you can see right here with the start of governance is where you're going to start. So slide 11, she'll pull it up. She'll go over it with you, talk to you about it, give you some examples. And as she's going through it, you will fill out your classwork sheet. We'll get to the levels of government. If we get to here, what your job is to do is to find out where these go. Okay, so you can use your Chromebook for that to do some research. Canada Post, is it national, provincial, or local? National would be all of Canada, provincial Alberta, local municipal would be like your town or city. RCMP, is that a national, provincial, or municipal? Education, national, provincial, or municipal. So for each of those, you're going to go through and place them in the correct spot. So those are the things you're going to do today. So one more time, you'll do the video and you'll answer the questions that I showed you where they are, called the Short History to Canada in the class workbook. Once that is done, slide 11, governance. You'll go over this as a class, fill out your notes in your workbook. levels of government, research, place these in the correct spot. Okay, I hope that all made sense. That's what you're going to be doing. And as always, if you have questions, email me or tweet to me, and I will get back to you right away. All right, have a good day, and I will see you tomorrow.